Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shipman News. Here I am reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose in every improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our today article or editorial. ICMR reports link high level of selenium in wheat or wheat to hair loss. The ICMR interim report submitted to the Health Ministry on January 28 found consumption of wheat with high level of selenium lead to 31 times higher selenium in the body cause sudden hair loss. Unwillingness to be transparent, a recurring tale. Over 300 people in Shegaon Taluka in Buldhana district, Maharashtra experienced the sudden hair loss. Scientists from the ICMR Institute and AIMS Delhi visited village from January 14 to 17 and collective wheat, rice, water, soil, and various human samples. Second, ICMR submit an interim report to the Health Ministry on January 28, nearly a month before PTI published the result of an independent researcher. Third, selenium levels in the blood were about 31 times higher. Hair and high selenium content. Number 4. Selenium is wheat sample collected from ration shop was 28 times higher. 5. Selenium level in the affected people were 3 times more than the unaffected individual from the same household. 6. Wheat collected from ration shop and affected household had high level of selenium, establishing a link between high selenium in wheat and sudden hair loss. 7. A report 2016 report is an Indian journal found 15 individuals from two families with high to extreme selenium toxicity had high selenium level. Selenium in wheat was 20 to 50 times higher. Selenosis intake of excessive selenium lead to a condition called selenosis, which characterized by sudden hair loss. Article or editorial written by R. Prasad. Three Zika virus cases in Gujarat detected between November 2016 and February 27 were kept under wraps till WHO announced the outbreak on May 26, 2017. The Health Ministry had informed WHO about the three cases on May 15, 2017. The case of high levels of selenium in wheat distributed by public distribution system PDS outlets causing increased selenium level and sudden hair loss in over 300 people in Shegaon Taluka in Buldhana district, Maharashtra seem to be following the same pattern. Reluctance of the health ministry to keep all the stakeholders informed and make the findings public, and the claim there is no conclusive evidence to link high selenium level in wheat with sudden hair loss. Between end December 2024 and January this year, over 300 cases of sudden hair loss were reported in people living in 18 villages in Shegaon Taluka from January 1470. A team of scientists from ICMR Institute and AIMS Delhi visited three villages and collected samples from people affected and unaffected, controlled by sudden hair loss. Sample of wheat and rice from affected and unaffected household and from ration shop were collected as well as water and soil sample. Contrary to claim made by government sources, no other sample of food item were collected for testing by the ICMR AIMS team. The sample were sent for testing to ICMR National Institute for Research in Environmental Health NIREH in Bhopal and AIMS Delhi. A PTI report published on February 25 said that the very high level of selenium found in wheat was the reason for the sudden hair loss. Based on an independent investigation by Dr. Metro Bhavaskar of Bhavaskar Hospital and Research Center in Raigad. The ICMR AIMS team found high selenium in blood and hair sample of affected, and the link between high selenium level in wheat and hair loss nearly a month before Dr. Bavaskar in investigation revealed them, but the finding of the ICMR AIMS team have not been made public till date. In an interim report submitted to the Health Ministry on January 28, ICMR clearly said that the amount of selenium detected in the blood of affected individuals was about 31 times higher than the control. The selenium content was also in wheat sample collected from two ration shops and a few households of affected people. Water samples were tested for nearly 2 dozen heavy metal, and all were within permissible limit. Based on these findings, the interim report says that high selenium level in wheat could have caused sudden hair loss. Intake of excessive selenium through food and or water lead to a condition called selenosis, which is characterized by hair loss, which is what was seen in people in Shagaon Taluka. Blood sample tested by ICMR NIREH found that the people with sudden hair loss had selenium level nearly 31 times higher than individuals without hair loss from household with no cases of hair loss in the family. Selenium level in the affected people were 3 times more than unaffected individuals from the same household as the affected people. Blood sample tested by AIMS Delhi found that the selenium level were about 25 times more than the controls, and the selenium level in higher sample from the people with sudden hair loss were also high compared with the control group. Testing by ICMR NIREH of the wheat samples supplied by two ration shops to the affected people living in two villages has selenium to 8 times higher than normal value. The selenium level in the wheat sample collected from a household where an affected person was living was high and comparable to the selenium level in wheat available at the ration shop. Compared with household of unaffected individual, people from affected household consume wheat and rice supplied by PDS shop. The presence of wheat with high level of selenium both in the ration shop and in the affected household clearly established that wheat distributed by the PDS outlet as the sources of selenium for the affected people. As per a letter published in 2016 in the Indian Journal of Dermatology, Venerology and Leprology, a study by the SMS Medical College and Hospital in Jaipur found 50 individuals from two families and high to extreme selenium toxic. Selenium in wheat sample was 250 times higher as per a 2004 report in down to earth large tracts of agricultural lands in Hoshiarpur and Nawashehar district. Large tracts of agricultural land in Hoshiarpur and Nawashehar district in Punjab are impacted, and sudden in many villages in this district are affected by selenium toxicity. Investigation needed. It must be noted that while every family receives PDS wheat, not everyone eats with this wheat. Many families have wheat grown in their own field. As a result, the wheat sample collected from house were not necessarily received from PDS shop. Curiously, people who had sudden hair loss in end December 2024 had good hair growth even through they continue to consume wheat supplied by PDS shops. This This suggests that the exposure to high selenium was only for a short time, probably because only a few sacks of wheat had high selenium level. The cases were reported only from 1250 villages, again supporting the hypothesis that can a few snacks would have had high selenium. It is therefore necessary to carry out further investigation by testing additional wheat sample from the entire supply chain of PDS to ensure that the high selenium wheat is not present in the supply chain. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more videos. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in tomorrow or next video. Jai Hind.